even though this is a technical video, I just wanted to share something quickly with you guys, so let's get into it. So even though we know we can get cheap parts through the internet, and there are a lot of so-called Eastern companies that do make cheap alternatives, what I'm trying to say here is there's a reason that you owned a Mercedes-Benz, and you want that quality and you want that reliability. So what I'm trying to say here is, let's stay true to that philosophy and let's keep it real with replacing the parts in your car, because eventually if you keep on going down the cheap route, you're going to end up with a potato, because you've basically swapped out all the fresh parts that Mercedes has put on the car, all the good quality engineered parts, and you keep swapping them out with cheap Eastern manufactured parts. You're going to end up with something that doesn't even really resemble what Mercedes-Benz intended in the first place. So I've basically said parts can sort of come in 4 categories, starting at cheap, then OEM quality, premium, and performance. And obviously the price increases from there forward. But what I'm trying to say is, if you do some saving strategies, or you're clever with the internet and you can shop around, you can still get good quality parts for your Mercedes-Benz that are OEM quality without having to go to Mercedes-Benz. And what I'm saying here is, have a game plan or have a plan, and you will find a good deal. I'm quite confident of that.